Welcome to the RunTru by Trane product introduction video. RunTru by Trane is a new line of heating and cooling equipment that offers simple and dependable HVAC solutions for the value segment of the market. The value segment of the market is approximately $6 billion annually and comprises of almost half of the total $13 billion U.S. residential HVAC market. The value segment consists of homeowners, builders, and property managers that typically make their buying decisions based on the lowest price available and aren't interested in the added features and benefits that accompany premium HVAC brands. Unfortunately, this often leaves the Trane brand out of reach and potential customers looking to other low-cost brands that often come up short on quality. RunTru by Trane brings you affordable HVAC products that are assembled in the USA in Trane factories. They're endorsed by Trane, the most trusted HVAC brand, and have competitive technology and features you won't find in other value line HVAC products. First up is our RunTru by Trane outdoor units. These compact and durable units are assembled in Tyler, Texas, and include a full line of 1.5 through 5 ton air conditioners and heat pumps. The small size of the units and variety of indoor system matchups make these the ideal solution for any budget-minded single-family or multifamily application. Quiet fans and compressors keep sound levels below 76 dBA, and the wire grill top keeps noise down and maximizes efficiency. Not only that, but these units feature all aluminum spine fin coils for excellent corrosion resistance and are protected by painted steel cabinets for a sleek and durable finish. With the small unit size and plenty of room for braze connections, these units are easy to install, and they include high and low pressure cutouts for added protection. Next up is our RunTru by Trane indoor units. Our indoor unit lineup consists of multi-position air handlers and cased coils, front return air handlers, and gas furnaces. Our indoor units all feature durable, low air leakage cabinet designs made of galvanized steel that resists corrosion and blends well with the adjoining ductwork, and the cabinets are lined with foil-backed fiberglass insulation to maximize efficiency and make them easy to clean. Our multi-position air handlers and case coils are assembled in Vidalia, Georgia, and feature a patented all-aluminum coil technology to prevent corrosion and a fin design that helps facilitate condensate removal, keeping humidity levels comfortable without dripping water into the ductwork. All air handlers and coils are air conditioner and heat pump compatible and include factory-installed flow controls that provide a full range of ratings right out of the box. 1.5 through 2.5 ton air handler models have a factory-installed orifice, and 3 ton and above have a factory-installed thermal expansion valve, or TXV. All coil models have factory-installed orifices except for the 5 ton models, which include a TXV. Our air handlers and coils both feature double-sloped, low water retention drain pan designs, and the air handlers can also be outfitted with our slim-fit filter box accessories, and they include a variety of field-installed electric heat options. Next, our furnace lineup for RunTru offers superior performance in a small package. These furnaces are assembled in Trenton, New Jersey, and feature a 34-inch tall, durable cabinet design with great serviceability features. Models consist of A801X 80% AFUE multi-position gas furnaces with an innovative aluminized steel tubular heat exchanger, 9-tap constant torque blower motors, and a variety of venting options with a simple rotation of the inducer motor. The A951X and A952V gas furnaces feature models up to 96% AFUE with stainless steel primary heat exchangers, and have models configured for upflow and horizontal left or right applications, and dedicated downflow models. The A951X furnaces feature single-stage heat with 9-tap constant torque motors, and the 952V furnaces feature 2-stage heating operation and variable speed blower motors for enhanced airflow and comfort control. The last benefit that ties all of our RunTru by Trane products together is our bold, no-hassle warranty. We provide coverage where it counts like you haven't seen before on value products. With a 20-year gas heat exchanger, 10-year compressor, 10-year indoor and outdoor coil, and 5-year functional parts warranty, all with no requirement to register. This means that we make sure the hardest working components of the system are covered with no registration forms, processes, or hoops for you and your customers to jump through. To take it one step further, our warranty stays with the equipment and not just the original property owner, which means no more questioning whether the customer is covered, whether residential or commercial, new construction or replacement. Not only is RunTru backed by America's most trusted HVAC brand, it's also backed by a warranty you and your customers can trust. I hope by now you can see why RunTru by Trane is an incredibly competitive offering for the value segment. RunTru delivers dependable and affordable HVAC solutions, backed by Trane, assembled in the USA, with unique features and warranty coverage that add up to a winning combination for your business and your customer's budget. For more information about RunTru, please visit your nearest Trane distributor or go online to runtruhvac.com.